3, 2, 1, start. The Delhi High Court on Tuesday dismissed a plea moved by a former husband challenging a family court order which rejected his guardianship petition seeking custody of his 5-year-old minor child, a citizen of Ukraine. A division bench of Justice Rajiv Sakhdar and Justice Amit Bansal said that it is in the best interest of the child, notwithstanding the hostilities in other parts of the country, to remain in the company of the mother and his sibling, also citizens of Ukraine, as it will provide a safe environment to the minor. Accordingly, taking a holistic view of the matter, we are not inclined to interfere with the impugned judgment. The present appeal is dismissed. Resultantly, the respondent number 1 shall be free to leave India with the minor child, the bench said. The parties got married in 2000. The marriage was dissolved in May 2021 by way of court decree in Ukraine. The man was later granted visitation rights. Besides the 5-year-old minor son, a minor girl was also born in 2002. The woman claimed that her ex-husband took the minor son out for a walk in 2022 but did not return. It was her case that she came to know that he, along with the minor child, had crossed the border and fled to India from Romania. Her habeas corpus plea was disposed of by a coordinate bench in October last year by granting liberty to the man to approach the family court for interim custody or visitation rights in respect of the minor child. The family court in November last year dismissed his guardianship petition. Dismissing the appeal, the bench said that the usual place of residence of the child is Ukraine and noted that the minor sought to remain in the company of the mother. An affidavit was filed by the Union Ministry of Home Affairs stating that there was an airstrike in Ukraine sometime back on September 1, 2023. It further stated that as per the advisories issued by the Indian Embassy in Kyiv in October 2022, Indian nationals had been asked to leave Ukraine. However, these advisories would not be applicable to the respondent number 1 and the minor child, as both of them are citizens of Ukraine, the court observed. It added that the man did not have the financial wherewithal for the upkeep of the minor child and that he even expressed his inability to deposit rupees 1,50,000 towards litigation expenses on account of financial distress. Stop.